Hi everyone, in this video I'm sharing the process of making infused shea butter. I infuse the shea butter with horsetail. Horsetail is very beneficial in hair products, and once you have this infused butter, you can use it for many products. In the next video, I'll share with you how I use this infused butter in a deep conditioning hair mask. So I start by weighing the shea butter. I am using 60 grams of shea butter. Remember, you have all the information and measurements in the written post, which is linked in the description. After adding the shea butter, I add the dried horsetail. I use 12 grams of the horsetail. You can double the amounts if you want to make a bigger batch. The amount I'm making here is enough to make 1 or 2 hair masks. I place the butter and the horsetail into a double boiler on the lowest heat setting. It is important to infuse the butter on low heat. I explain more about this process in the written post. I add a small amount of unrefined avocado oil to the infused butter. Here I add 8 grams of avocado oil. The avocado oil can help create a smoother, more consistent infusion. It also aids in blending the shea butter and herbal components, ensuring that the nutrients and herbal properties are evenly distributed throughout the mixture. I check with a digital thermometer to make sure the temperature is not too high. I infuse the butter for a couple of hours while stirring it now and then and checking the temperature every 30-45 minutes. After 4-6 hours, you can remove the infused butter from the heat. You can use a cheesecloth or a sieve to strain the infused butter. I pour the infused butter into a small plastic container and immediately place the container in the fridge for an hour. Cooling down in the fridge is the best way to avoid a grainy texture in the final infused butter. After 2 hours in the fridge, you can take it out and leave it aside to continue the cooling process. The next day I checked on my infused butter. It is soft and smooth. The green color is from the horsetail and avocado oil. So, now I have this beautiful infused shea butter, which is perfect for making a deep conditioning hair mask. In the next video, I'll share a formula for a deep conditioning hair mask using this infused shea butter. You have more information on this process and the ingredients in the written post on the website. Thank you for watching.